It's always 442. Jeez. I'm running like it's Friday, but it's actually only Wednesday. But I have to because I'm so damn excited. Got stuff waiting for me at home, guys. You know, in a recent video I mentioned that my fans are running seemingly constantly, even when it shouldn't be running, even when the car is not hot. So usually, from what I'm seeing, the issue is with the fan motor module or fan module. So I got one. I got one from Z1 Motorsports. Super fast shipping. I know they're in Atlanta and I'm in South Carolina, so boom, easy. But even despite this virus, quick. So we're gonna go put that sucker in, but I got a little bit of a surprise for you guys too. Something that I never ever in a million years thought I would get. Never thought I would do it. But I don't know, feeling good. Had to go for it. Something exciting. So let's go get to the house, install this fan module. Super easy. So we'll do that in just a matter of minutes. And then we'll talk about the real deal. Must be a lot of damn essential workers out there still. Holy cow. A couple of cool spots on the way I want to stop and take a couple of pictures at. It's super sunny, so I don't think it's going to be good. But this mirror, it's always caught my attention here driving around. So always wanted to get a shot in front of it. So it looks like it's a little too bright. So next time around, or maybe early tomorrow morning when there's a little more cloud cover, the sun isn't quite so strong. Nice car, but that doesn't sound good. I'm gonna do this before the wife gets home. It should only take a couple of minutes. And we are going to try to do it without taking the air dam, engine shield, front cowl off, whatever you're gonna call it. Make this simple. All right. So we're gonna take this little box off right here and replace it. Where's the light? So we're gonna do it without taking this thing off, and we have to replace that little silver box right there. It's a little warm, but I think we can get to it. Here's our replacement. Anytime you have to unplug anything or do anything like that, I like to disconnect the negative terminal on the battery, so we'll do that and we'll get moving on this thing. Disconnected. Yeah, look at the battery is dirty. So much pollen. 10mm screw, 2 of them. Don't drop it. Okay. Careful doing this after driving. The engine is quite hot. But easy. You know, just push down the little tabs and the plugs pop right off. Here we go, old and new. 65 bucks, something like that, $68. Z1 Motorsports, super fast shipping. It's impossible to film tightening it in, but Just trust me. Pretty simple. And the plugs only plug in to one place, so that's pretty simple as well. Ouch, hot, holy. There we go. All replaced, less than 10 minutes. Almost did it. Now we just gotta fire it up to make sure it's working, or it's not working, whatever. Well, that's working. Hear the suction? Are you intake guys? Still makes a noise. Let's go listen to the fan. Fan is not spinning. Okay, that's a good sign. So we're just gonna assume that that worked. Cool. Now to the real thing. Now, this is what I really wanted to show you guys. I can't believe I did it. I never thought I would, but TOMEI, baby. Yeah. The Q50's finally getting a TOMEI. Oh my gosh, been waiting forever. I didn't think I'd ever do this, but you know, I've been watching a lot of Danny Z, so. Can you believe that guy doesn't like the look of Infinities? What a crazy guy. Oh, man. I'm gonna put this in. Come on, bro. Yo, this thing is sick. This plastic wrap off here. What the what? Oh. Okay, I got a little nervous there. I see what they do. They just strap it down, and there's a little adhesive strip here. So, holy shit! See how this looks. I'm screwing it in first, then we'll put the decal on, or the badge on, so it's facing in the right direction. You don't want to put it on upside down. It's always gonna tighten like this. Okay, hold please. Oh, that's a dope shot. Okay. Here we go. I honestly don't trust the adhesive. Come on, TOMEI. Jeez. So I just put a little 3M double-sided tape. The problem is it's so damn thick that I hope it doesn't, you know, stick up. Let's try it. All right, attempt number 2. Well, it's not completely flush, but at least it doesn't just peel up automatically. Hopefully the heat doesn't affect it. Water gear. You know what this calls for, guys? TOMEI montage. Got another little tchotchke I want to show you guys. Here we got a new radiator cap. So it doesn't seem like that big of a deal, but the factory radiator cap is good for 1.2 bar, and the Z1 Motorsports high pressure, I guess you'd call it, radiator cap is 1.37 bar, or 137 kPa. So it's good up to higher pressures, and I guess that allows your car to run a little cooler. The idea essentially is that the pressure is relieved at a higher pressure, 137 kPa or 1.37 bar rather than 1.2. 1.2 is just over 17 psi. So when the relief pressure is a little bit higher, that increases the pressure within the system, which I guess increases the boiling point of your coolant. So again, if you want the specifics, go to Z1 Motorsports and check out their description, but that's the theory behind it. It allows higher pressure within the system and therefore reduces the boiling, or increases the boiling point, whatever allows the car to run cooler. Boom, there you go. You guys ready for a radiator cap montage? Okay, just kidding. So obviously I need sticky tires really bad, and for the amount that I spent on this fan module, the radiator cap, and the oil cap, I probably could have got damn near close to one tire. So maybe a stupid move. Obviously needed the module. The TOMEI oil cap is pretty cool. It doesn't look good. Sorry about the clickbait, guys, if you fell for it, suckers. But technically the car does have a TOMEI part, but a TOMEI nonetheless. See, it says it right here. It's the real deal. TOMEI forged piston type oil filler cap. Come at me, bro. I gotta say though, for real, it does look pretty good under the hood. So it's important to get some little accessories here and there. I got a lot of good stuff coming up, guys. I do need tires, and they're still in the plans, so that's going to happen for sure. A lot of good stuff coming up with the car. This was just a quick little fun video. Hope you guys enjoyed, but I hope that fan module installation was helpful for you guys. I know some people have commented on the last video where I said it was an issue, that they're experiencing the same problem. So there's a ton of used ones on eBay. I would stay away from the used ones, honestly, knowing that from Z1 you get a brand new one for $65 or whatever. It's a pretty easy fix, super easy installation. We did it in less than 10 minutes. So you can definitely do it. 10mm socket and ratchet, that's all you need. Super easy. You don't have to even take the the air dam, front cowl, whatever you want to call it, off. It can all be done just by reaching in and taking care of it. So do it if you need to. Any questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'm glad to help out as best I can. Check out Z1's products. TOMEI oil cap, pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate the continued support. Stick around, like I said, a lot of good stuff coming up. Hopefully some educational videos, hopefully some fun ones as well. So stay safe, stay healthy. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.